I'm making a video, okay? Check this squirrel. The squirrel running. He going to harass the birds. Look at him. He going to mess with them, you know. I don't know why he just mess with them. Let me sit here. Let me look at all these fancy. Look, the red one up there. He and the dove going to... You see him? Oh, I hope they don't fight. He real pretty, eh? The dove. The dove, the squirrel. Let's see. If I turn, I'll get a better feed. So you see the squirrel, and we have a few birds, guys. The cardinal decide he do not want to eat with the other birds, but the mama cardinals just eat with any bird that come around. That's a dove? Okay. The road really busy today. The squirrel run them. I don't know why he does mess with them. They go ready for him and they go beat it tail. Come, beauty, come and eat. So guys, we do have a number of cardinals that has come to eat. So the mama cardinal will eat with any birds that are there, but the father cardinal do not like to eat when it have other birds. Okay guys, so my husband ready for to make him dinner, so I will not be watching the birds. I will have to leave this and go and take care of some food for my husband. Cardinal, beautiful.